All right, what follows is a series of pieces of advice regarding each part of your pilot studies. So, research question advice, again, based on the variety of research questions. Um, for some of you, the research questions I saw on your pilot study, and this is by no means everyone, but for some of you, you wander away from being specific. Um, and I really, again, recommend you use that scaffolding tool that we talked about in class, where it had the who, the what, what you're interested in, and so forth, where, all of that, because those really seem to generate some very specific research questions. So I want to give you a couple of examples. A specific example, in what ways do intensive outreach programs, including X and Y, so name the programs, increase a sense of belonging among Latino students at a Hispanic serving institution? So for a pilot study, keep in mind that you're not going to be solving all the problems of the world, although I know we all want to, and I know you are, in fact, doing that. We want to try to be very specific in our pilot study. So an example of the same question, but too broad, is how can higher education increase a sense of belonging and community connection among underserved students? Okay, so a couple of issues here. Or a couple of, I mean, not even necessarily issues, but just in terms of making more specific, saying something like, how can higher education, when you actually know what institution you're talking about, just state the institution you're talking about for this pilot study. Potential problem number 2 for a pilot study is that it states sense of belonging and community connection. You could maybe get at both of these constructs in a pilot study, but you may want to think about narrowing to only one of them. And finally, among underserved students is just a huge group, right? We've got, are you talking about first year college students? Are you talking about, a variety of different ethnic minority groups? Are you talking about women in the science disciplines, right? There's a lot of different ways to go about this. So maybe being a little more explicit.